Well, this is a video of me modifying the pipes on my Yamaha 650 V Star. Beautiful bike. I love the bike. It is a great starter bike. This is my first bike. I've only been riding for maybe a matter of months, but I don't like the sound of the bike. I want it to sound a little more bike-ish.
My wife is riding a 2002 2002 Honda Shadow 750, and hers has Vance and Hines pipes. Sounds pretty good. When we're riding next to each other, it's hefty, 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 wimpy, 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 and so that's not cool. And I think it's necessary for me to sound a little more substantial when I'm
Yamaha 2014 V Star, beautiful bike. Not quite the power that I want it to have, but it'll do for the first bike. I hope that it grows into a 900 at some point. As you can see here, stock pipes. It has, interestingly, these baffles here in the stock pipes, and today I am gonna attempt to remove those baffles. If you are watching this video, it was successful. If you are not watching this video, well, I'll end up at Mike's motorcycle shop, but let's see what happens. Okay, so this is how the bike sounds now. Sounds a little bit like a motor scooter to me. I want it to sound better than that. I want it to have a bit more of a pop and a rumble. So let's see what we can do. Go with carbide tip spider. This is the spider tarantula. It cut right through very quickly. Did a smaller hole around the inner tube of the exhaust here. We'll take a look at that. Cut right in there. Now I'm gonna attempt to grab that inner tube there with a pair of needle nose, or I'm gonna try to pop it with, I think there's a weld at the top. I'm gonna try to pop that weld with a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Gotta be careful not to knock the bike over. That would be bad. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so I've been working it here with a screwdriver, and as you can see, move a little bit there. There's a weld in there that needs to come loose, and we're pretty darn close, I think, to getting it loose, but it's got to come completely loose. And I think what I might actually need is a little bit bigger hole. I don't have the right bit for the hole, but I do think I need a little bit bigger bit for the hole. And use a wider bit so that I can take out this portion here. Take that out, because I need to be able to move this pipe around more. So I was able to pull this out, and I ended up having to jam a Craftsman tool in there, and then I used my pipe wrench to twist it. Had to actually physically put it on there and twist it, and then I had to play with it and bang it, and did a lot of things to it to get it out. Boy, that was something. And it sounds significantly better. Still have a couple of pipes in there, but and I need to clean it out a little bit. But so see what it sounds like here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the second pipe is out. Again, use the same method. This is tedious work. It is not something that just comes out easy. You have to force it out. I think there's a lip, as you can see there, that couple of welds, some lips that hold the lip that holds the pipe into the exhaust system. Just have to work it out. You just have to jimmy with it and fight with it and make it happen. So now let's see what we sound like. See, we'll fire it up. All right. Sounds a lot better now. Woo! A lot better. A lot better. Sure, it might be better to buy the $500 Vance and Hines pipes, but you know, given one afternoon of work, probably about 3.5, 4 hours,